if you're looking for a way that helps you to earn 3 times the amount of interest you'd have gotten from putting your money in a bank account, or you just want exposure to the dollar market to earn some interest in dollars, or you just want to invest in, or you just want a fund that invests in global tech stocks, this video is for you. Now, this video is going to talk about how you can achieve all that using just one app. Yes, one app will help you to get a safe and secure investment, to create an emergency fund, to automate your savings and investment. At the same time, it also helps you to invest in global tech stocks. Yeah, this one app does everything, and you can do all that using mobile money, or you can even use your bank account, whichever one you are familiar or you are okay with. And then this video is for you. So how does this work? Make sure you stay tuned. We're going to talk about it. Now make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, so whenever we upload content like this, you'll be one of the first people to see it. Alright, so let's dive straight into the video. Now, the app we are talking about today is called the Achieve app. The Achieve app is created by Petra. Petra is licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Ghana. Now, what this Achieve app helps you to do is basically to save and invest with just your smartphone. Very, very simple. Now, I've already spoken about some of the features on it, but if you want to download the app, just go to the description. There's a link there, click on it, and it will lead you to the Achieve app to download. Or you can download straight from the App Store or Play Store. Look for Achieve by Petra. Look at the logo on the screen. When you're signing up, use my referral code, which is at the bottom of the screen. That's going to allow you so that I can also help you guide you through the process. Now, let's continue the video. So now we've downloaded the app. Now, what is the app going to help us do? Let's go through the interface of the app after you've signed in and everything. So I'm assuming you've signed up and signed in by now. So let's continue. Now, the first thing that we need to make sure of is that there are 3 different investment funds on Achieve app. They have the DigiSave, which interest rate is in the 20s. They have the Eurobond Trust, which interest rate is in the 50s. And they have the Global Tech, which interest rate is in the 70s. Now, I know that for some of you, you are confused about these 3 different options. So let's start from the one which is lower returns and lower risk, medium returns, medium risk, higher returns, higher risk. And then that's how we're going to go in that order. Now, before I continue, remember that this video is not financial advice. Before you take any of the advice in this video, make sure you consult a licensed financial advisor. I am a level of personal finance, so anytime I find information in this kind of area, I let everybody know so we can partake and participate in it. Okay, so let's continue. Now, the Achieve app, DigiSave. Now, what is DigiSave? Now, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, DigiSave helps you to invest in safe investment, because basically they focus on treasury bills and very, very safe investments. And so it's a fund that is a short-term investment fund that is helping you to get quick access to your money when you need it. So it's good for creating an emergency fund, or you want to pay your rent in a year's time or in some months' time, or these are funds to help you to sort out your issues quickly as possible. That's what the Achieve app is there for. That's what the DigiSave fund is there for. So that's what DigiSave basically is. You can see the information on the screen if you want to read more about it. Now let's go to Eurobond. Now Eurobond has a much bigger interest because you are exposed to the US market, so the returns you are exposed to the international market, so your returns are a bit more. And so, like I said, it's a bit higher risk, higher reward as compared to the DigiSave. That's why its interest rate is at 50%. So if you have an appetite for higher risk and you want more returns, you can check this one out. But remember that it's a portfolio. You don't need to choose only one fund on the app. You can have all the 3. You can, if you say you are more risk adverse and you want to play on a safer side, you can let maybe about 50-60% of your money go to the DigiSave, and then you can share the remaining among the 2 apps. You don't have to stick to one of the funds. All of them are at your disposal in order to make money from it. Now let's go to the last fund, which is the Global Tech. Now for Global Tech, you see the returns the last year to date was about 70-something%. So that tells you that that's a very, very high interest rate, but that's because it's investing in global tech funds, or global tech stocks, sorry. And so stocks like Google, Amazon, Meta, it's investing in them. And so if you want to also invest in these stocks, but you don't want to now, you don't have the time to go and do the research and be trading them and buying low, selling higher. You don't have the appetite nor the time to be a trader. You prefer for you to put your money in a fund to be managed by experts. Then this particular side is for you. So you can take your money there, but remember that the money is locked for a certain period of time. I think it's about 6 months before you can make any withdrawal, because equities investments are different. And so remember that with equities investment, you can gain a lot of money. At the same time, you can lose your money plus your capital. And because it's equities, because stock prices go up in value and they go down in value all the time. The stock markets can crash. This has happened a number of times. And so it's a much riskier investment. That's why the returns are also much higher. And so you have to ask yourself, what amount of money am I prepared to lose if it goes bad? And what amount of money am I prepared? I mean, the same way we are planning for it to go back, it can also go very, very well for you, because I mean that's how the stock market is. And so you can, if you want to start this particular fund, read a bit more about the stock market. You have to educate yourself, become more financially literate. But the same way, you can also buy these stocks yourself. And so if you want to also buy these stocks yourself, instead of putting the money in the fund, just let me know in the comment section. I'll send a link to another video that will allow you to do so. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and share to your friends. So, see you next time.